Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. 2 days ago, I did a video on HKD and AMTD. So this is what I saw yesterday. Craziness, it got up to this HKD got up to $999.99. Now that's not what interested me. It was the AMTD. That's what interested me because there is this tie-in that, I'm not sure exactly what percentage it is, but I watched this AMTD base right here at 3 after that big move by the other one, and I said, you know what, take the trade. Just take the trade and see what happens. And I woke up this morning and it got all the way up to 1450. It's not that I held everything from 3 up to 1450 and sold. Of course, I sold pieces on the way off, but unbelievable. I did the video a couple of days ago on the relationship. I'm still waiting to see if it takes out 10 later on, so may not be over, but was one sensational trade to wake up to. All right, everybody, we'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you in the room. Bye-bye.